How to create a QR code for a Google form. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to Google and then go to forms.google.com. Create your form and then of your form. And then enter your link like this. Tap on download QR, sign in, and then you will be able to get your QR downloaded. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.